I'm watching myself. I thought they were going to write this side up.
This is the fulcrum, turning point.
Bottlelogy. Also, this is my first Amazon order. Not the small puzzle. It's a notebook with my name on it. He doesn't want you people to see him. And that is the more reason why I bought this table. I don't know if I should call him a guy or a man. Okay, let's say this man. I need a steady table. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are coming to fix a table. I need a study table so that I can comfortably study and read at home, and I got this one from Amazon. This is the first time I'm buying from Amazon since I came here. I mean, even before I came here, I've never bought from Amazon before, so this is my first Amazon order. I'm going to open it and show you guys. And I have a friend here who's coming to help me to do the fixing. He said he's camera shy, he doesn't want you people to see him, so he'll just direct me and then I'll do it. I thought they were going to write this side up. You know, they always write this side up. Why didn't they write the product? What's this thing called? How do you say you do it? So I should get up.
I'm trying to remember the name.
I used to know it, I've forgotten. So if I stand up, they won't see me.
You didn't get a manual.
I think there should be a manual. So I'm going to move this table from here, and then we put this new table here now. My brother is calling me. We can take the box to the basement. What?
A pen.
A pen.
Yeah.
There's a pen here. Or she bring you the film pen. Are you counting the nails?
I need to reconcile for us to know which one.
I'm not studying engineering with you. If you said reconcile, I don't even know what that is.
Reconciliation to cross check.
I only know reconciliation in the Bible.
So I'm cross checking.
Okay.
So to know if what we have here is the same as what we have on the board.
Okay. Yeah.
Is it at the ends? This is the middle.
Well,
The ends.
that was not the measurement we saw. Okay, they were 80 by 45 by 19 centimeters.
This is the size of the box.
Oh, okay. I wanted to be dramatic that they did what I ordered versus what I got. Are you sure this isn't supposed to go there? Because see, the other ones just entered easily.
Yeah. That's not a hole. It will not enter. Because it is a hole. The last time I was asking you about the forces. I was asking you about lever, machine, first class lever, second class lever.
Instead, I've forgotten. My science teacher is dead.
So you're behaving like that because of the.
So this one is what class lever?
This is the effort distance. This is the effort distance. This is the fulcrum, turning point. This is the load distance.
My science teacher didn't teach me like that. That's why I forgot.
Have you seen 90th century?
You're using so much pressure. You're applying.
Yeah. Try the other one day. Hey, you.
Nana, say hi to the camera.
No. Like me, I'm tired.
Yeah, even the people watching you are shy.
I'm shy person, okay? Down here. So 4. 9, 10. I need to put 5. Where was the 5? This is a 5, right?
Yeah.
No, where is it? This is a 5. Oh? Yeah, this is 5.
I think it's this one and this one. They fit into each other.
Yeah, they are done. Now we come to this side. The 6. We should fit some.
I even think that they will have a video on how they fix it on Amazon or... Let me check. Do you need my help?
I won't last our point, so I don't know. This is going to be the top. Not of the on the table, yeah? The first thing is to get the hooks. These are 4 holes. Yes. So J, you look for. So we are putting in J in these 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Where do you put J?
Not the small puzzle. Yeah.
Usually on 2 types. So one of them. This one is 200, right?
Oh wow. So those ones, I'm putting it here. In all of them.
This I'll call this so this is
Now I've been singing that song. I'll be there and it will be playing in my head. Is it a song? Is it even a song? Is it part of the song? Or is it just something it's part of the song? The distance, I don't know where it's going. There is another manual here. We don't need that one now. That one is for controlling the table. Is something supposed to be the other place too?
No. I'm actually supposed to just go to the next one.
Oh, okay. I give up. I'm not an engineer, so. Why not asking me to come and help?
Why am I not asking you to come and help?
Yeah. You don't need my help. Should I come and hold it? That's really fun, anything there. You're supposed to screw this one upstairs.
For that, you have to do something like this.
I should move it.
No, this is it.
Like with the knife.
Oh.
Is that where you're putting those screws?
I'm going to put D.
I know that. Where do you going?
Are you worried about where they are going?
Yeah, I'm just waiting patiently to see where they'll go. For that one, we need a screwdriver.
Yeah.
If there's a screwdriver, I should go and look for one.
That is.
John.
You can actually go off.
Yes, if they like our place when the guy was defining his phone, the room was not big enough, so
Okay.
we don't have spacious spaces in our office. But if there's enough space for everyone, Or if he invites me to come on, just make sure to go early so that we'll get a good seat. What's his topic on? What's he
I have no idea. I know he was the forestry department or something like that.
And where did he study already in Ghana?
I don't know. I don't know.
Really tell him so that we ask him.
I don't believe I don't know. Now we are busy. Now we are busy.
Choose for yourself. Choose your personal pronouns carefully.
No.
No.
I've already told you that. No. I've told you that I identified by now. I use them.
We. As.
So I mean, it still makes sense, right?
You are offended, and I'm really thinking of myself as.
Yes.
Then you were asking me.
Yes.
I did it! Women in STEM, women in engineering.
It's typhoon.
Typhoon. Will you screw anything again?
Where are we now?
Will you screw anything again?
Let me confirm where we are now.
Okay. That place where we screwing.
What is good? I don't even know which screws you are going to use them to.
But it's just one type of screw. It's screws.
Let's still gym up again.
Let's start screwing.
Take your time, please. Yeah.
And I'm not screwing.
Yeah. I'll make sure it enters down. Is it in the hole?
Yes, I'll make sure. The microwave has stopped.
Okay.
Yes, I just kept. That thing too is happening.
Something
It's not there.
So do it well. That thing's place on top. If you do it well,
Finish, come and do it. No. I didn't tighten it.
okay.
You want to tighten it, the metal, the plastic. It starts to expand. It should expand. But I'm not tightening the screw because I want you to check it before. It's tightened the wrong time.
After all, it's going under, so.
So I should just do it, I shouldn't mind. And now this screw is too close to the side. Like there's no. Oh, the screwdriver is magnetic. Come and see here. I didn't tighten these ones because of the metal. The electronic. That one too is screwing.
Yeah.
Should I come and screw? I think something to screw to the side. Oh, I see some screw holes. There, here.
Let me confirm which ones.
Confirm. I think it's that place. What's going here?
Yeah, this is the.
Should I be screwing?
Yeah.
I'll have a place to hang my headphones. It is sprayed.
It's all strange.
The one I picked.
It should be.
You and the wrong one.
Okay.
I think you even use the light again.
We should go this way, right? No.
This way.
This way.
Can I sit on it?
Hey, I don't know.
They said the capacity is 70 kg.
Okay.
You don't have to screw down there.
No, for now, no.
They're connected.
Correct.
Okay, I think this is the highest it can go. Should I bring it down?
Yes, please.
Yay, we did it! Yay, I did it!
This is. You will finish.
Yeah, but you didn't use the H.
So this is to cover.
The side is bigger. Then it's fine. I think do we outside?
I mean, yeah, you can. If you have to, if you want to.
We can leave it.
Or you can leave it. You want us to leave it like that?
If you want, you can tie it. If you want, you can leave it. I don't want to put that ugly monitor on my new table.
When you how will you
I don't know. I have to sweep the floor when you're done. Now I can hang my headphones. Today I'm going to read till morning. Finally, we have a study area. This is what it looks like. I raised the table up and I can stand like this to work, or I can also bring the table down. Yeah, so it can go down and it can go up, and that is the more reason why I bought this table. And yes, I watch my own vlogs because you people are not watching my YouTube, so I'm watching myself. Hi sweets, our table is fixed, but I have something else to show you guys. I had got this package from Ghana. There was this guy who was coming from Ghana. I don't know if I should call him a guy or a man. Okay, let's say this man. And I asked him to bring me some stuff. Unfortunately, he couldn't bring all the things I needed, but he got these ones. Let me show you. Ow. Unfortunately, this one is so cute. It's cute. It's a notebook with my name on it. Oh, and it came from Craft Eden. Is it crafted? Yeah, Era. Oh, it's so beautiful. Like with my name on it, and I love it. I love this color. I love purple. And what else do we have? There's also a pen and a key holder and some other stuff. I'll show you guys those ones, and a phone holder. I'll show you guys those ones later, because I also need to unbox this for my TikTok. She's more on TikTok, she's not on YouTube. So if you guys are on TikTok, I'll be tagging her on TikTok. You can get some of these products from her. Thank you so much, Era. And then she also got me some hair gel. You see the way my edges are edging? Look at my edges. This is the gel I've been using, but I think this is the red. I always use the black. I've never used this one before, so I'll try it and then I'll give you guys feedback. And then this hair deodorizer, I usually spray this in my hair. It's for braids, wigs, dreadlocks and more. It has some minty feel, so when you spray it on your hair, it feels so relaxing. Thank you, Era. Thank you. Yeah, so these ones were from Era. And then these ones are bottled. I'm in Germany, but I'm still getting things from Ghana. See, there are different shapes and sizes of bottles, right? She gave them to me so that I'm going to start making my shots, ginger shots, whatever shots, and I'll be using these bottles. And then I also got some tea bags so that I can make my own tea. And then this is the one they used to froth the milk. Oh, I'm so excited. Yeah, so over here we just have the lids of the bottle. So these are the three different I like it. Oh, there are different designs of bottles. I'll show you guys, but she's also on TikTok. I'll be tagging her. Her account is Bottlelogy. I'll be tagging her on my TikTok. So if you want to get some of these bottles, if you're in Ghana, you want to get some of these bottles for your shots. Maybe you want to start weight loss and you're looking for bottles to start making your shots. She's got all the right bottles for you. Yeah, so this is what I came to show you guys, and I'll see you. Now we have a table, so we have to put our bottles down and land. Okay, I'll see you guys. Thank you to all the people who send me goodies from Ghana.